Now we'll be going to the next pratyaya, which is Shanach pratyaya. We have seen some Shanach pratyaya in Pullinga. Now we will continue to see Shanach pratyaya in all vibhaktis and other lingas also. The Shatru and Shanach are the two pratyayas which denote the Vartamana Kala, and Shatru pratyaya is used for Parasmai Pada Dhatus. Shanach pratyaya is used for the Atmanepada Dhatus. This is just a recall that I thought I should tell. Now, if we go for Akarant of Pullinga, so all these Shanach Shabdas will behave like Akarant of Pullinga. In Pullinga, it will be Mana or Ana, Vandamanaha, Vandamano, Vandamanaha, Kurvanaha, Kurvano, Kurvanaha. So it will become like Ramaha, Ram. It will behave like Rama Shabda, Akarant of Pullinga. Now in Strilinga, what will happen is it will behave like Akaranta Strilinga Shabdas. Vandamana, Vandamane, Vandamanaha, Kurvana, Kurvane, Kurvanaha. In Napumsakalinga, it will behave like Phalam or Jnanam Shabda. Vandamanam, Vandamane, Vandamanani, Kurvanam, Kurvane, Kurvanani. This is how it will behave. So in three lingas, it will behave like this. Vandamanaha, Vandamano, Vandamanaha, Vandamana, Vandamane, Vandamanaha, Vandamanam, Vandamane, Vandamanani. This is an example for Mana. Kurvana, Kurvanaha, Kurvano, Kurvanaha, Kurvana, Kurvane, Kurvanaha, Kurvanam, Kurvane, Kurvanani. This is how it will behave in Ana. So if Ana comes. Finally, it is Akaranta, Akaranta and Akaranta forms with the forms that we already know. That is how it behaves. Now there was one question, when is the Ana coming and when is the Mana coming? This is the most important thing that we have to understand. Now we know that the dhatus are divided into 10 ganas. Now in the first 4, 1, 4, 6, 10 ganas, we will get Mana, Vandamana, Yudhyamana, Mriyamana, Kathayamana. So if you know that the dhatu belongs to 1, 4, 6, 10 ganas, probably we can use Mana. So we have to understand that 1, 4, 6, 10 ganas get Mana. The other ganas, which is 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 9, these ganas, they get the Ana. Shayanaha. So yesterday our Bhagini was asking, Shayanaha, is it a Shanach pratyaya? Yes, it is a Shanach pratyaya. So she dhatu, to sleep, will become Shayanaha. So while sleeping. Kathayamanaha, while telling. Mriyamanaha, while dying, while he was about to die. Yudhyamanaha, while fighting. Vandamanaha, while saluting. Now, Shayanaha, while sleeping. Dadanaha, while giving. Chinvanaha, while selecting. Rundhanaha, while obstructing. So, like this, we understand that Ana is used for all the dhatus which are not in 1, 4, 6, 10. 1, 4, 6, 10 gana dhatus get Mana. Now, this is the broad understanding of when does Ana and when does Mana come. How to remember the form in Ana and Mana? So what we do is we take the Lat Lakara Prathama Purusha Dvivachana form and then we will add the Ana or the Mana after having deleted the Ting Pratyaya. Shayate, for example, Shayate, Shete, Shayate, Shayate is the form. If it is the form, Shayate is the Lat Lakara form, Atmanepadi Dhatu in Prathama Purusha Dvivachana. Now, Prathama Purusha Dvivachana Shayate becomes Shayanaha. We just have to remove te and add Anaha. Anaha, A is already there. So Shayanaha. That is how it will come. Same way it will be Adhiyate. Will become Adhiyanaha. Dadate. Dadate will become Dadanaha. Chinvate will become Chinvanaha. Rundhate will become Rundhanaha. Kurute, Kurvate, Kurvate. Kurvate is the Latlakara Prathama Purusha Dvivachana. So Kurvate, Kurvanaha. Same way, Vandate, Vandete, Vandante. Vandete. Now your vandamanaha, labhete. So we have to remove the ekaras and all pratyayas. Ite. So labhamanaha, buddhyamanaha, dhriyamanaha, manyamanaha, chorayamanaha. This is how we remember how to generate the forms. If we know the Latlakara forms, I would request somebody to tell the Shanajanta forms. Yam Sri Ram.
Namo Namaha.
Mm.
Labhete.
Shanach forms we have to tell.
Shanach. Labhamanaha.
Labhamanaha. Uttamam. Oh, everything.
Pachate. Pachete. Pachamanaha. Mriyete. Mriyamanaha. Dhadate. Dhadate. Dadhamanaha.
So dadhanaha.
Dadhanaha. Oh, dadhanaha.
No, dadha.
Dadhanaha. Chindate. Chindanaha. Manvate. Manvanaha. Kurvate. Kurvanaha. Rajete. Rajamanaha. Punate. Punamanaha. Punaha. Punanaha. Punanaha. Bhruvate. Bhruvanaha. Ganayate. Ganayete. Ganayamanaha. Shayate. Shayanaha.
Excellent. These are the Shanajanta forms derived from the Latlakara Dvivachana forms. That was just a small exercise. Now, if we try to understand how does this entire Shabda behave? Dhanyavada Mahodaya. Srinivasan Nayyar. Ram Ram. Akarantah Pullingaha Vandamana Shabdaha.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः वन्दमानशब्दः
वन्दमानः वन्दमानौ वन्दमानाः
वन्दमानः वन्दमानौ वन्दमानाः
हे वन्दमान हे वन्दमानौ हे वन्दमानाः
हे वन्दमान हे वन्दमानौ हे वन्दमानाः
वन्दमानं वन्दमानौ वन्दमानान्
वन्दमाना वन्दमानं वन्दमानौ वन्दमानान्
वन्दमानेन वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानैः
वन्दमानेन वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानैः
वन्दमानाय वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानेभ्यः
वन्दमानाय वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानेभ्यः
वन्दमानात् वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानेभ्यः
वन्दमानात् वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानेभ्यः
वन्दमानस्य वन्दमानयोः वन्दमानानां
वन्दमानस्य वन्दमानयोः वन्दमानानां
वन्दमाने वन्दमानयोः वन्दमानेषु
वन्दमाने वन्दमानयोः वन्दमानेषु
उत्तमं धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः
So Vand dhatu is to salute, to bow, to do namaskara. So if you frame this in sentences, Vandamanam purusham pashya. Vandamanena purushena vibhutihi svikritaha. Vandamanaya purushaya malam prasadam अर्पया. एवं तत्र अस्माभिः एतत् शानच् प्रत्ययान्त रूपं. So the rupas in this shabda are having shanach pratyaya. These rupas will act as visheshana to the noun who is doing that action. Now one is the act of salutation. If somebody is doing, we can in order to indicate the Purusha and the action he is doing. The person is doing the action. When we want to use that kind of a prayoga, we use the other forms of Shanach Pratyaya in other vibhaktis. So that is why we have to understand the Kridanta forms in all vibhaktis. Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Annapurna Somayajula.
Ram Ram sir.
आकारांत स्त्रीलिंगः वन्दमाना शब्दः
आकारांत श्रीलिंग वन्दमाना शब्दः
वन्दमाना वन्दमाने वन्दमानाः
वन्दमाना वन्दमाने वन्दमानाः
हे वन्दमाने हे वन्दमाने हे वन्दमानाः
हे वन्दमाने हे वन्दमाने हे वन्दमानाः
वन्दमानं वन्दमाने वन्दमानाः
वन्दमानां वन्दमाने वन्दमानाः
वन्दमानया वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानाभिः
वन्दमानाय वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानाभिः
we have to say vandamanaya
वन्दमानया वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानाभिः
वन्दमानायै वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानाभ्यः
वन्दमानायै वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानाभ्यः
वन्दमानायाः वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानाभ्यः
वन्दमानायाः वन्दमानाभ्यां वन्दमानाभ्यः
वन्दमानायाः वन्दमानयोः वन्दमानानां
वन्दमानायाः वन्दमानयोः वन्दमानानां
वन्दमानायां वन्दमानयोः वन्दमानासु
वन्दमानायां वन्दमानयोः वन्दमानासु धन्यवादः
एवमेव नपुंसकलिङ्गशब्दः अपि एवमेव भवति केवलं प्रथमा द्वितीया विभक्तौ यथा वन्दमानं वन्दमाने वन्दमानानि इति भवति अनन्तरं तृतीया विभक्तितः यथा तत्र पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः तथा एव भवति देयर इज अ विशेषा टू दी शत्रु शानच प्रत्यय शत्रु शानचौ विशेषांशः we were talking about when we were talking about kridantas we were talking about kridantas being used in vartamana kala. We said shatru shanach is the pratyaya to be used in vartamana kala. We said tattavatu is the pratyaya to be used in bhuta kala, right? Now what about the bhavishyat kala? Is there any krit pratyaya which can be used in bhavishyat kala artha is the question. Now for that the answer is the same shatru pratyaya can be used in bhavishyat kala with the addition of shya, say patisyan. Now you have shatru pratyaya is an antau antaha, it will come as an antau antaha. Now if it is pathan pathantau pathantaha, it is actually vartamana kala. If it is patisyan patisyantau patisyantah, it becomes bhavishyat kala. So it is very easy to remember. If you remember the shatru pratyaya form in vartamana kala, the same thing comes in bhavishyat kala. However, the ishyan, just like how lit lakara came, but patati became patishyati, same way it will happen in shatru pratyaya. So shatru pratyaya is can be used for vartamana kala also, it can be used for bhavishyat kala also, provided you add the right vikarana pratyaya or right pratyaya in with the dhatu. So dhatu plus syati. So just like pat plus syati will become patishyati, pib plus syati will become pasyati, lekhishyati, like that. So now we know the Latlakara forms. Based on that, we can derive the Shatranta Bhavishyat Kala forms also. This is one Vishesha of Shatru, Shanat, Dasyan, Dasyanto, Dasyantaha, Karishyamanaha. Same way with Shanach Pratyaya also. Karishyamanaha, Karishyamano, Karishyamanaha, Lapsyamanaha, Lapsyamano, Lapsyamanaha. So we won't be going into the details, just that it will be similar to Shatru Pratyaya and Litlakara. Now with this we finish the Shatru and the Shanach Pratyaya. Some more sentence examples will be there in the exercise sheets. Do not forget to do the Kridanta exercise sheet. Do not miss the Kridanta exercise sheets. Only when you do the exercises, you will get to know how the forms are coming. Don't miss any exercises sheets. Please do all the exercises every day that we give. And these exercises, it will not be more than 2 pages. That will be, it means it will not, there won't be more than 40 sentences in any exercises. So that is 10, 10, 10, 10. 3 mains or 4 mains of 10, 10, 10 sentences each will be there in the exercise. Don't miss the exercises. Please do the exercises, because Kridanta forms, unless you do the exercises, we will not be able to master the same. Even after you do the exercise, there will be a lot of doubts. So you have to do the exercises and ask the doubts.